So, should we split it in half so we've got some each?
No.
You'd like to just use one big piece. Think about sharing in a moment. That might be kind to use the knife and cut it in half. Lovely rolling pin. Okay. Oh, you're going to use your wooden spoon. Great stuff. Oh, is that going to squeeze through the middle? It's made a circle shape. Fantastic. Maybe if we use this end of the rolling pin, it'll make little circles too. Oh, and I've thought of something that we can use that will make tiny, tiny holes. What do you think of my thing? If we prick a fork in, should we see what happens? So, are we making blueberry pancakes for our cafe? What do you think? Good idea? Or blueberry bread? Blueberry muffins? And then the blueberry muffins. See, if you press it in, that's it, with all the tiny holes with the fork. Oh, look at those shapes. And then what happens if you use the other end of the fork? Take care with that part in your eyes, but I know you'll be very careful. Oh, nice long shapes. Excellent. Should we chop it in half now? So it's half for Mummy and half for Wilbur. Thank you. That's it all the way down. I like how you've chosen the middle. That's really fair. Thank you. Keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. Fantastic.